Welcome back to the garage and working on the 1965 Studebaker Commander. It's been about a couple weeks. It's been cold and rainy, and well, I'll quit bitching about that. So, as I mentioned in the last video, I had ideas of where potentially rainwater or water in general was coming in. So in a second here, I'm going to show you underneath where I believe the water is coming in from, and then we're going to look and see if can I still find parts for this 1965 Studebaker, especially something that could be pretty obscure. So let's find out. Well, this is the mess underneath the dash, in case you're wondering what we're looking at. And when I was looking at where can I potentially have water coming in from, there is a fresh air vent right here, as you see as I move. And inside there is a seal that I have learned is no longer there. So I need to see if I can find that part. And let me show you where my water is more than likely coming in on the other side. So this is the heater assembly. So you can see that there's the fan, and if we look right over here, you can see that there's the valve assembly. I don't know if you noticed that there is corrosion going on the fittings. So there's also a seal underneath here that I figure it's almost 60 years old. It needs to be replaced. So I'm going to remove all this, because what was the point in doing all the work I did on the floor in order to just have it leak again? Cool. Move over, Rover. Move over. Move over. Move over. Thank you. So you can see here, this is something you really want to have, is a parts book for it, because a lot of the Studebaker parts, or the majority of Studebaker parts, are listed by the original part number. So this is a new old stock book that I bought. It was like 15 bucks or something like that, and this is very helpful to find the parts that you're looking for. So we go to the page that we're looking for, which is right here, and we can see that right here is the seal that we need for the air vent. And I've already looked this part up before, that this seal is the same part number that they use for having the heater delete. Yeah, no heaters back then if you didn't want one. So I come and I look here and I see I got the part number, or the, not the part number, but the illustration number, and I come down and I find the one ending in 113, and I see there's a part number 1338907. And then also for this part, I see that there's, for them, illustration number is 161. And I come over here, and there's a part number over here for 1339224. So let's go on the internet and see if we can find these parts. Now, there are many vendors for Studebaker parts. And for my particular needs, after looking up my part numbers, I decided to go with Stephen Allen's. They're down in Newberry, Florida. And this is the opening page of the website. And they, look at this, they have brand new Lark tanks that they're making. Here, I'll scroll up a little bit here. Lots of parts available. So we're looking for particular parts for my Studebaker. So we're looking for the air vent seal for the driver's side, and we're also looking for the heater core seal. So let's find them and see if I can get them. So you can see I come down to Studebaker heater seals, and you see I have it highlighted there with the part number and the part nomenclature, what it fits, and it's $8.95. Let's go see if we can find the other part. And here we are with the second part. This is under the fresh air vent seals on the Stephen Allen website. And scroll down a bit, and there it is, the part highlighted. Come across, part number, nomenclature, what it fits, and it's $3.50. I'm sorry if this is blurry. My camera operator sucks. So you saw how easy it was to find parts for the Studebaker. And, well, here they are. I like that they came pretty damn quick. So, a brand new seal for the driver's side air vent, and I have a new seal for the heater core. And it didn't take long to get here. So, I need to install them, don't I? Well, now you know that you can find parts for a 1965 Studebaker Commander, along with a lot of older models as well, since Studebaker really didn't change much besides some of the bodywork, that a lot of parts continue for quite a few model years. So parts are available for this, and even something as random as the seals for the air door. I mean, to me, that's just kind of random that I can buy it and it's new. It's not new old stock. I imagine that'd be rotten by now. But now you know that, yeah, Studebaker, maybe you like it, maybe you don't, but you can find parts for it. So I'd like to thank you for coming along, and join me next time when I do more work on my 1965 Studebaker Commander. Thank you for watching.